Welcome back. This is the train channel. We have an OC&T train. We don't know if it's light power or it's grain hopper. Let's check it out. It's like light power. Yep, it's light power. Let's check it out. Must be hooking up that grain hopper right there. Let's check it out. Or unless they're going to the wrong track. Yeah. No, they gotta wait. Yeah. Excuse me. Yep, got a light power train. Yep. Just got back from the other track.
You think they're headed to Oil City?
Well, there's a hopper right there. I hope it's not an Oil City train. There better not be an Oil City train.
They're definitely on their way somewhere, aren't they?
No, or unless they're done, one of the two. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next train. If there's a train, we'll get back on. Talk to you later. No, this is Alco 75, by the way. So, but we'll get off. We'll get back on with the next train. If there's a train, we'll get back on. Talk to you later.